got this Aventador right here. Crazy project for my buddy. As you can see, I'm holding this very dirty flare because we are cutting the car up right now. This is the flare that's gonna go on the back right here. This is gonna be the Liberty Walk Widebody kit. This is the limited edition, just like Chris Brown's we did, but this is going on this one. This is a roadster. It's gonna get the big wing. It's gonna get a special wrap. It's gonna match his other car. It's gonna look outrageous. We already have the wheels here. This thing is gonna be insane when we're done, so stay tuned. We're gonna finish this up real quick. Back needs to be wait, the front is all down?
Yeah.
The back has to be raised a little bit.
It's fine.
The front's good, the back is it's not gonna drive. Remember, this car, we have it a little lower than other cars.
We're inside. Park it right there. Too hot, way too hot, sorry. No more convertible. Okay, it's like 100 degrees out. I literally we tried to film in downtown LA. Too much construction traffic, I'm melting. So that's enough of that. We're gonna put the top back on. Just wanted to show you guys that this is a Roadster Liberty Walk limited edition Aventador. It's not a coupe, it's a Roadster, so that's very rare for this. It's not on. It has to slip like in it. No. Slip it in. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. It's burning.
All right, better. All right, guys, we are officially in my favorite Aventador ever. Chris Brown's Aventador is a close second to me now. That thing is crazy. It was my favorite. This is now my favorite because I do like the color a lot in one color, not the fade. Even though Chris's is dope with the fade. Also, the wheels on this one, I'm very excited and happy about. Insane fitment. Looks amazing with that step lip and then the face. Of course, it's a Velos times RDBLA special, these wheels. Looks incredible. They're super concave, super deep, and best of all, they fit amazingly well. We maxed out the fitment on these. The car is still slammed. I get no rubbing whatsoever, which is insane. zero rubbing, turns, acceleration, whatever. There is no rubbing whatsoever with this car. It's got so much carbon fiber, it's ridiculous, inside and outside. All the vents, the wing, all the canards, all the front lips, spoilers, rear spoilers, side skirts. We left the Novitec side skirts on it as well. I've never seen that before on a Aventador with a Liberty Walk. So really, really aggressive style. We topped it off with tire stickers, Pearly with the stripes. I always do it with the stripes because it looks amazing. Hopefully they don't wear off too fast, because this car with its stance, they might wear off pretty fast, but they're just stickers, so you can redo those. As you guys know, Mo's McLaren 720S is the same color. It was one of the first cars to get that wrap. A lot of cars are doing it after, and it looks good on almost every car with this color. So I thought about it for my Urus too, but I didn't want this dark of a color, but it's growing on me even more. So we'll see what happens with that. This car has a full exhaust system, so it's super loud. I gotta talk a little louder. It's also 97 degrees right now in LA, super hot.
He's gonna shoot go all the way to the right.
We're still shooting on the freeway right now as we speak. They are in the RDB minivan / camera van, so we're shooting right now. Everybody's a little crazy in LA as far as driving. There's a lot of traffic today, a lot of people trying to drive fast and slow, whatever. So it's hard to film for YouTube and build this type of car to this level. So I want you guys to know that while we're filming this stuff, our main business is building cars like this. Super hard to do when we're doing everything in-house and we're filming and dropping on YouTube all in one place. So one last thing I wanted to add in there is social media. We've been seeing a lot of people, companies, whatever, keep using the terms game over, keep talking big, all that stuff. You guys know us, we don't like to get involved in drama too much, but recently I've been seeing some Aventadors that are literally getting wraps and wheels and pretty much talking big on Instagram, claiming the best Aventador, claiming no other Aventador can compete, all kinds of crap really. But they don't have wide bodies, they don't have stances like this, they don't have all this stuff going on, which is crazy to me that we're able to do all this and other people with just a wrap and wheels think they're doing big things. So we're gonna try to remain as humble as possible. Obviously everybody has an ego, everybody has things, but we're doing this so often that, you know, we're used to it now. So we don't need to showboat, we don't need to do all that stuff. You guys see it, you guys know what we're all about, you guys can see what we're building. So less talk, more work. We hope you guys enjoy the content and the cars. We're gonna keep doing it. Bro, this freeway's crazy.
Look, I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's where they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up, sending them shots, we send them back, yeah, ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back, need more hands just to count that. Stay on my bully, I need me more breeze, just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. Don't happen overnight, work smarter with some sacrifice. Sugar spice and everything nice, mix it up, now you got a spice. We bridging the gap, they want us to rap, so go we back. Yeah, Drew need a plaque, we turn to the next, you never lack. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Came back for vacation, I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back. Facts, ooh, double the racks, TD the bank, your CD's blank, your Cuban is linked, smoking that dank, pour up and drink, fill up the tank. Do you think I ain't the one, but I'm the one? Buddha's out, he going dumb, you hear them drums, came from the slums, they know we the ones, yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't fuck with you. Thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up, sending them shots, we send them back, yeah, ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back, need more hands just to count that.